Hello guys, and welcome to the 20th update of my 1 to 100 scale My Airport series. If you're new here, My Airport's based in Melbourne, Australia and is fictional. Today we have a lot of progress on the international terminal and the very last visit of the Qantas Boeing 747. Let's get this video underway. The first aircraft we have here today is the Airbus cargo Boeing 747-8 freighter. This is just about to offload some cargo after its long flight from Hong Kong. And here we have the Cargolux Boeing 747-8 freighter. This is just about to head out to Auckland. And here we have the Tasman cargo Boeing 757-200 freighter. This just came in from Auckland. And here at the international terminal we have a United Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. This is just offloading some cargo after its long flight from LAX. Next to the Dreamliner we have an Emirates Boeing 777-300ER. This is just loading some cargo for its departure to Dubai very soon. And here we have an Air New Zealand Boeing 777-200ER in the All Blacks livery. This just came in as a cargo flight from Auckland. Next to the 777 we have a Qantas Airbus A380. This is just getting prepared for its flight to Victorville the next day. And here we have a Qantas Boeing 747-400ER. This just completed a joy flight and is about to get a water suit for its departure to Sydney very soon. This is the last time the Qantas 747 would ever visit this airport. And here we have a Cathay Pacific Boeing 777-300. This is doing a cargo flight to Sydney. Holding short of runway 34 we have a Jetstar Airbus A320. This is heading out to Adelaide. And here we have another Jetstar Airbus A320. This is getting some maintenance work done since it is just about to get taken out of storage. Touching down on runway 34 we have the Vietnam Airlines Airbus A350-900 in the SkyTeam livery. This is just arriving from Ho Chi Minh City. And here at the remote parking stands we have the Singapore Airlines Airbus A350-900. This is just sitting there idle. And here we have an Edelweiss Airbus A340-300. This is just sitting there idle as well. And here we have Garuda Indonesia Airbus A330-300. This got tugged into the gate just before the arrival of the Air New Zealand 777. And here we have an ANA Boeing 787-8. This is just about to head out to Tokyo Narita. And here we have a Qantas Airbus A330-300. This is in short-term storage. And here we have a Rossier Boeing 777-300. This is just sitting at the parking stand doing nothing. And here we have a Qantas Boeing 787-9 in the Yam Dreaming livery. This is in short-term storage. Next to the Dreamliner we have a Qantas Airbus A380 in the Go Wallabies livery. This is stored right now and will head out to Victorville next week for long-term storage. And here we have a Qantas Boeing 787-9 in the 100 Years livery. This is in short-term storage. And here we have a Qantas Boeing 737-800. This is getting its fuel loaded and catering done and will head out to Sydney very soon. Next to the 737 we have a Qantas Link Boeing 717. This is in short-term storage. And here we have a Qantas Link Boeing 717. This is getting its passengers and baggage loaded and will head out to Hobart very soon. And here we have an Alliance Fokker 100. This will head out to Brisbane very soon. Next to the Fokker 100 we have an Air New Zealand Airbus A321neo in the All Blacks livery. This is just getting its passengers loaded and catering done for its departure to Christchurch very soon. And here we have a Virgin Australia Airbus A330-200. This is in short-term storage. And in the Air Max heavy maintenance hangar we have a Virgin Australia Boeing 777-300ER. This is just getting its C check done. And here we have a China cargo Boeing 747-400ERF. This will head out to Hong Kong in about 6 hours. And here at the new cargo apron we have an ANA cargo Boeing 777 freighter. This just came in from Sapporo. Next to the 777, we have a Nippon Cargo Boeing 747-8 freighter. This is just sitting there idle. Thank you so much for watching this video, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.